Yo guys, what's up man? So today we are going to talk about how to use this guy, video capture card. So nowadays, among young fellows, it's really popular for them to post their daily lives or daily video clips on social media platforms such as YouTube and Instagram or Facebook, whatever. Video capture card is really important for them because video capture card is a requirement devices for them to capture their devices onto their laptops so that they can edit it and they can edit for video clips and then they can upload it. So nowadays there are lots of different types of video capture card. It depends on their different interfaces. So for example, like USB to HDMI in video capture card, like a Type-C to HDMI male to female video capture card, or like you can have Type-C to video capture card containing HDMI loop, and even you can have this one like Type-C to video capture card containing microphone interfaces. And they are also different in prices, like about 20 to 100 bucks. So which one is better suitable for me as a YouTuber or as a social media platform user, or how to use video capture card may be a big question.
So what I will do is using this guy as an example. A 2 meters Type-C to HDMI male to male cables. Of course, first of all, you need to plug in your Type-C interfaces first, and then find out your HDMI output interfaces on your back of your Nintendo Switch main console. And then plug in your HDMI interfaces by your cables. After all set, since Nintendo Switch main console needs power supply for using HDMI interfaces, we are now using this original Nintendo Switch power supply cables for this situation. If you can find out there is a battery sign on the left top of the Nintendo Switch screen, then you are all set for the first half. On your laptops, you definitely need your OBS application set up. This is where you could transfer your video data from your devices to your laptops. And each device's transmission their data to your laptops called sources. For this situation, we are using video capture sources and select create a new video capture devices. Then you select USB video devices for your device columns. And then after that, you can set up what kind of preset you want. That's for setting up your video resolutions. For example, I'm just using the preset, which is 1280 x 720. Make sure you have powered up your Nintendo Switch main console by pressing the power up button. Also, if you want to record in your demos, you could start to setting up from your OBS settings. Then also make sure that the latency doesn't depend on only your video capture card, but also your laptop situation or environment.
Then you are all set to have fun. Never mind for my skills. You may ask how to capture your phone instead of Nintendo Switch console.
If you want to use video capture card to capture mobile phones such as iPhone, you definitely need this one, the lightning adapters. And what you should need is the lightning adapters containing the power supply interfaces and the HDMI interfaces. Then after you plug in your HDMI and the power supply cables on your iPhone, then you are all set.
KO!
2,000 years later.
So after all, you may ask, how do I have video capture on my phone? So like I would also can use my phone to use Facebook Live. Also, no problem if you are using this Type-C to HDMI video capture card in 2 meters cables. What you should do is just download applications called USB cameras, and allows for these applications for relative permissions. And you could also set up your device's video capturing by following instructions I just told you before in this video, connecting your video capture adapters or cables, and power up your devices, and then allow the permissions for these applications, and then you're all set. And here is the applications I used on my mobile phones for video capture. And make sure your phone satisfies the requirements for Android. And also, you could set up your application settings such as files and relative resolution settings. And then you can just upload your Facebook Live by using your mobile phones only instead of laptops.
So that's all for my today's video clips. And hope you enjoy your day and Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And make sure also you subscribe my channel, Colorful Digital Times, on YouTube channel. We will also upload some other new video clips introducing our new products. And make sure you subscribe it. Thanks.